In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the System Configuration tool, often referred to as MSConfig, on your Windows computer. This is a handy utility that allows you to troubleshoot and configure your system settings, which can be particularly useful if you're experiencing issues with startup processes or simply want to make your system run more efficiently. I'll walk you through several methods to open this tool so you can choose the one that works best for you. Let's start with the first method, which involves using your desktop search bar. Head over to your desktop and locate the search bar, typically found at the bottom left corner of your screen near the Start menu. In the search bar, type in Run and then press Enter. This action will bring up the Run dialog box, which is a quick and easy way to execute various Windows commands. Once the Run window is open, type MSConfig and hit Enter again. This will launch the System Configuration window where you can start making the adjustments you need. Now, if for some reason you're unable to use the search function, don't worry. There's a second method that involves accessing your system files directly. Open your File Explorer and navigate to your local disk, usually labeled as Local Disk C. From there, dive into the Windows folder and then locate the System32 folder. Within System32, you'll find a file named MSConfig.exe. Simply double-click on it to open the System Configuration tool. If those methods aren't suitable for you, here's another option using the command prompt. This utility can be quite powerful for users who prefer command line operations. Open your command prompt. You can do so by typing CMD in your search bar and hitting Enter. Once you're in the command prompt, type the command Start MSConfig and press Enter. This will instantly bring up the MSConfig window. Moving on to our fourth method, you can also use the Windows search bar directly if that's your preferred approach. Just click on the search bar and type MSConfig, press Enter, or click on the app that appears in the search results. The tool will then open, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments to your system configuration. Whichever method you choose, the ultimate goal is to get the System Configuration tool up and running so that you can optimize your system settings effectively. Whether you're looking to manage startup programs, modify boot settings, or troubleshoot operational issues, MSConfig is an invaluable resource. And there you have it. We've gone through 4 different methods to access MSConfig on your Windows computer. Pick the approach that feels the most intuitive to you, and remember, the more you become familiar with these tools, the easier it will be to maintain and customize your system to better meet your needs. Thanks for watching and happy configuring.